Okay, today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at this, which is the kids Belkin headphones. Now these you can charge up with a USB, like I said, last for 30 hours, and they give a volume cap of just 85 decibels. Now these are for kids for ages 3 years and over, so if you've got any other younger kids below age, that's not recommended that you use these for them. So let's get this unboxed. Okay, so in the box here you've got the wireless headphones, and of course you've got the cables. So in the bag it looks like you've got a normal audio cable if you want to go wired, and then you've got it's the USB mini, but disappointed it's not USB-C. Also in the box here you've got the paperwork, and you come with some fun stickers so you can decorate the side of your headphones with the stickers. Okay, so underneath the ear cup you've got looks like the power button to switch it on and off. You've got the volume up and down, the audio jack, and the charging port. The other side is completely clear. They're very light but still feel very strong and sturdy, so it should be ideal for the young children. Now it is tested to resist spills and accidents for up to 2 years. It's got a built-in microphone for calls and easy to use controls. It works with most apps and devices. Like I say, it's personalised, so you can stick these stickers on to sort of personalise it and make it a bit more fun. Of course, like I say, it should work on all devices, so iOS, Android, Windows, PCs, you name it, laptops. You shouldn't have any problems. Just a typical Bluetooth device that will just connect to anything else that has Bluetooth, so you shouldn't have any connection issues with that regard. Okay, just press the power button on. I heard like a little beep. I don't know if you heard it there, and I see like a little blue flashing light there, so it's got like a bit of power. I guess let's go into pairing mode. I'll try and connect it with my laptop now. Okay, straight away my laptop has detected the SoundForm mini headphones. So I'm going to try and connect them now. And there you go, so it's connected. Of course these are size adjusted too, so you can pull them out to make them a bit bigger around your head. And they actually fit on adult heads as well. Unless I have a small kid's head. These actually sound a lot better than what I was expecting. It's probably a little bit louder than what I was expecting for a kid. So you can make sure you just control the sound volume on your device, your phone, your PC or something. Make sure it's not the maximum volume, just in case your kids do have sensitive ears. But having said that, it's not too loud like you would get with just normal headphones, but the quality of that sound, I'd be tempted to use them myself to listen to music because it sounded so good and so bassy. I'm actually rather impressed with actual sound quality. And these, at the time of buying, were 30 quid on Amazon. So if you want to check them out, we'll put the affiliate link below. So if you want to support me, please click that link and buy it through there if you can. And I'll thank you in advance for that. If not, then however you buy it, it's definitely worth looking at for your kids, because if you want to make sure they don't listen to sound that's too loud, but still have quality sound, because my son who's 6, he's going to be using this for his Roblox game. Final conclusion, do I recommend them? Yes I do. The price, the sound quality, the fact that it's maximum 85 decibels, it's tested to resist spills and accidents for up to 2 years, and it's completely universal. So yes, really like these, really impressed, do recommend them. So if you are looking for some for yourself, well, for your kids, then make sure you check out that link. That's pretty much it for this video, so make sure you give me a thumbs up as a thank you. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you all in the next one. And of course you can support me below by either just clicking the thumbs up for free, subscribe for free, or click my Patreon and help me support me monthly. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye for now.